Welcome to my life and moments in China as I travel, and this is one of my traveling moments where I get to show you when I'm traveling so you can make your well-informed decision and opinion on China from my videos, which are not scripted, which are not staged, just moments that I get to film. I am aware that people have got some negative view and opinions of China due to content they see from other videos, which are not real, by the way. But my videos show you exactly what I see. If you've got an opinion or you got a perception of China, it's better be informed. I do a lot of traveling to exhibitions and to factories, so if you want to know more about China, please subscribe, like, and drop a comment below, and any questions I'll be happy to answer. Thank you for watching.